You ever get into bed exhausted, like physically tired? Wait. But the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain suddenly decides it has time to rehearse every embarrassing moment since 2014. You're lying there in the dark, eyes closed, whispering, "Sleep. We're sleeping now." And your monkey brain is like, "Cool, but first, let's replay that awkward thing you said in 8th grade. Also, what if something terrible happens tomorrow? Also, banana." So what's going on? Why does your body feel tired but your brain feels like it just drank 3 espressos and opened 47 browser tabs? Today we read talking about why your monkey brain is ruining your sleep and how to fix it tonight, not next month, not after a $300 sleep gadget. Tonight, because here's the paradox. The harder you try to force sleep, it's the more your monkey brain panics and keeps you awake. Let's step into the nighttime jungle. Let's be honest, nighttime is weird. All day your monkey brain is busy chasing bananas. Emails, deadlines, social interactions, notifications, life. But at night, the jungle gets quiet. When the jungle gets quiet, the monkey gets suspicious. You lie down. It's dark. There's no distraction, no scrolling, no noise. Your monkey brain goes, "Hold on, why is it quiet? Where are the predators? Should we be concerned?" And instead of shutting down, it turns on high alert mode. Suddenly, you remember unfinished tasks. That awkward text. That future scenario that hasn't happened yet, but might possibly, maybe occur in an alternate universe. Then you grab your phone. Just one scroll. Just one little digital banana before bed. But that tiny banana turns into 45 minutes of blue light and dopamine spikes. Now your monkey is wide awake at 1:37 a.m. watching strangers organize their fridge. And the worst part, it's sabotaging you. You'll feel terrible tomorrow. You need sleep. You said you'd fix this. But the monkey doesn't care about tomorrow. The monkey cares about immediate bananas. All right, let's zoom into the brain. There are 2 main systems at play here. Your sleep pressure system, your circadian rhythm. Sleep pressure is like a battery that drains all day. The longer you're awake, the more a chemical called adenosine builds up. That buildup makes you feel sleepy. Simple. But then, your monkey brain introduces dopamine. When you scroll, watch videos, game, or get notifications, your brain releases dopamine, the pay attention, this matters chemical. Dopamine doesn't just wake you up mentally, literally tells your brain, this is important. Stay alert. Now here's the problem. Your brain can't be deeply alert and deeply asleep at the same time. It's like trying to press the gas pedal and the brake at once. And then there's blue light. The screens you love at night suppress melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. So while your body is whispering, we're tired. Your phone is screaming, "Banana, banana, look at this." Add stress to the mix, cortisol. Your stress hormone spikes when you worry at night. Cortisol is basically your monkey yelling, "Predator alert," and your brain says, "Oh, we're in danger. Definitely not sleeping." Here's the twist, though. Your monkey brain evolved to survive threats at night. Thousands of years ago, falling asleep in the wrong moment could mean getting eaten. So your brain is wired to be slightly cautious in the dark. But now, the predator is just your unread emails. Your ancient survival software is running in a modern Wi-Fi jungle. But here's the deeper layer nobody talks about. You don't just scroll because you re-bored. You scroll because you're avoiding. Nighttime removes distraction, and when distraction disappears, your thoughts get louder. It's unresolved emotions, stress, loneliness, doubt. So the monkey reaches for the easiest banana, stimulation. It's not about entertainment, it's about escape, the paradox. The thing you use to relax is the thing that keeps you wired. Tell yourself, "I need this to unwind." But what you're actually doing is telling your brain, "Stay alert, something interesting is happening." Over time, your monkey brain associates bed with stimulation instead of sleep. Now the bed isn't a rest tree, it's a mini entertainment center, and your brain says, "Oh, we're here. Cool. Time to scroll." You train the monkey accidentally. But here's the good news. You can retrain it intentionally. All right, let's retrain the monkey. These aren't vague sleep better tips. These are actionable tonight. 1. Create a digital sunset 1 hour before bed. Screens go off. Non-negotiable. Think of it like the jungle getting dark naturally. Your monkey needs cues that night is coming. If full shutdown feels extreme, start with 30 minutes. Put your phone in another room, not next to your pillow. Out of reach equals fewer bananas. Real example, charge your phone outside your bedroom tonight. Just try it once. 2. Lower the jungle lights. Dim lights signal melatonin production. Bright white LED lights at 11 p.m. are basically telling your brain it's noon. Hunt bananas. Switch to warm, dim lighting an hour before bed. If your room feels cozy instead of clinical, your brain shifts into wind-down mode. Light controls biology more than motivation does. 3. Give the monkey a worry window if your thoughts explode at night. It's because you didn't give them space earlier. Try this. 10 minutes before bed, write down everything on your mind. To-do list, stress, random thoughts.
Ow.
You're telling the monkey we handled it? You can stop scanning now. Studies show expressive writing reduces rumination and improves sleep onset. Basically, empty the mental banana basket before bed. 4. Build a 10-minute wind-down ritual, same 10 minutes. Every night, stretch, read fiction, shower. Your brain loves patterns. If you repeat the same sequence nightly, your monkey starts associating it with sleep. Cue gives routine gives sleep. It's habit psychology. You're turning sleep into a conditioned response. 5. Use the 15-minute rule if you're awake in bed for more than 15 to 20 minutes. Get up. Don't lie there wrestling the monkey. Go somewhere dimly lit. Read something boring. No screens. When sleepy return, this retrains your brain. Bed equals sleep, not struggle. 6. Morning sunlight equals night victory. Here's the hidden hack. Getting 5 to 10 minutes of sunlight in the morning anchors your circadian rhythm, tells your brain when day starts, which determines when melatonin releases at night. Morning light fixes night sleep. It's backwards, but powerful. Imagine this. You get into bed. No scrolling, no chaos, no internal jungle alarms. Your monkey curls up quietly. You fall asleep faster. You wake up without feeling like you were hit by a truck. Mornings feel lighter, clearer, easier. Because here's the secret. Great mornings don't start in the morning. They start the night before. And when your monkey learns that nighttime is for hunting, bananas, it's for restoring energy. Everything changes. Better focus, better mood, better impulse control. Less anxiety. Sleep isn't laziness. It's neurological maintenance. Your monkey brain isn't trying to ruin your life. It's just running outdated jungle software. You don't need to fight it. You need to guide it. Start tonight. Pick one strategy. Just one. If this helped you understand your brain a little better, hit like it feeds the algorithm a good banana. Subscribe for more psychology explained in monkey language. Thanks for watching. Now go put your monkey to bed.